In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website fit all screens. Creating a seamless and responsive website experience is crucial, especially when considering the variety of devices your audience might use. So let's dive into this process. The key aspect to ensure your site elements fit nicely on any screen size is to use the grid line guides. These are the vertical dashed lines you see on your screen while working in the Wix editor. Grid lines serve as your boundary markers, guiding you on how far you can stretch an element so that it remains within the viewable area across different devices. Now, you might be wondering why you don't see these grid lines when you're in your Wix editor. If they are not already visible, it's a simple fix. Head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on Tools. Once you're there, you'll find an option labeled Grid Lines. Make sure this option is checked to turn those handy guides on. Once your grid lines are in place, you can start adjusting your elements accordingly. As you move your elements within these lines, you ensure that they remain visually consistent and accessible, whether someone is visiting your site on a smartphone, a tablet, or a desktop. In addition to setting elements within grid lines, Wix also offers the ability to edit directly on the mobile site. This can be particularly helpful if you want to preview and fine-tune how your site appears specifically on mobile devices. Keep in mind, though, that certain elements might be exclusive to either the desktop or mobile versions. Thus, what you see on one may not always translate to the other. This dual setup provides flexibility, allowing you to customize the appearance for different users without compromising on functionality. Remember, a crucial part of the editing process is testing your website on various screen sizes. It's always a good idea to preview your site from Wix's preview mode, where you can toggle between desktop and mobile views. This will give you a clearer picture of how your site will look to real-world visitors and help you catch any irregularities or misplaced elements early in the design process. By following these tips, you should be well on your way to creating a visually appealing and responsive Wix website. Keep experimenting within the grid lines and don't hesitate to make revisions to fit your specific design needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you successfully optimize your Wix website for all screen sizes. Keep creating, and see you in the next video.